Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me Zaib and you are watching my English video series. So in this video we will discuss adjective, what is adjective, its meaning and function. Furthermore we will discuss what is attributive and predicative adjective. So first of all let's throw light on the meanings of adjective. Adjectives characteristically express properties of people or of concrete or abstract things. There are three main points. ये किन किन की जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं उसको शो करती हैं, पीपल की, कंक्रीट थिंग्स की लाइक कंक्रीट नाउन्स की या फिर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स की. Thus abstract nouns which we cannot touch or which we cannot see, just we can feel, like anger, bravery and happiness, like this, sadness. These are abstract nouns. Thus when they combine with the verb be, verb be क्या है, इसकी आगे से different kinds हैं, like is, am, are, was, were, has been, has, have, had. These are the kinds of be, or you can say this is the tree of verb be. The class generally describes a state. Like it means कि जब हम be की different kinds यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं तो वहाँ पे जो है वो क्लास जो है वो state को शो कर रही होती है. Like the soap is hot. The soap is hot. So here like what is the state of soap, and soap is concrete thing. Max was jealous. Jealous is the state of Max, and Max is also concrete thing, concrete noun. So in meanings we discussed that adjectives express the properties of characteristics of people or concrete nouns, like people or things. Either they are concrete or abstract. And furthermore, we discussed that when they are used with the verb be, they generally describe a state. So now we will discuss about their functions. Most adjectives can occur in either of two major functions. Like there are two major functions of adjectives, like attributive यानी कि खूबी बयान करना, and predicative. Like predicative mean that they are used as an object. So like this, first of all we will discuss what are attributive adjectives. Like some hot soap. So the word hot जो है ये soap की एट्रीब्यूट यानी कि उसकी करेक्टरिस्टिक को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. सो दिस इज़ एट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. लाइक जो वर्ड्स जो हैं वो नाउन की करेक्टरिस्टिक को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड एट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. एंड जो ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह यूज़ होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. लाइक द सोप इज़ हॉट, he became jealous. Hot and jealous are predicative adjectives. Some hot soap, a jealous husband. Hot here, hot and jealous are attributive adjectives. Attributive क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो predicate है, लाइक जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सोप और हस्बैंड है, और हॉट और जेलस जो है वो सोप एंड हस्बैंड की जो क्वालिटी है उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. So this was the short video about what is adjective and what are its function, and what are attributive and predicative adjectives. So this is with Zebunisa. I am masters in English, a subject specialist, as well as I am CSS PMS experienced. I teach English online. There are two kinds of programs, courses, which I teach. Like I teach spoken English, which is for almost 45 to 50 days, and the second is academic English course, the fee of both courses are 2000, like 2000 per course, 2000 for spoken and 2000 for academic. So if you want to join my regular classes, you can WhatsApp on this number. My one course is started and the next will be started soon, like 20th August. Okay, Allah Hafiz, see you in next video. Let's end the video.